everyone should try to grab them, okay? And can we clear the center stairs for a while? Thank you. Alright. Now up first, let's call in our Bomikai Kingdom. And there go our Bomikai Kingdom. Now those birds can be found throughout Southeast Asia and Australia. So in Australia, they are known as red-backed sea eagles. But here in the Philippines, they are known as lawins or manok in the Visayas region. So guys, if familiar nyo ang bird, muna siya ang nasa logo ni Kuya Kim na matang lawin.
Manok.
So excuse me ate. Okay, thank you. Now, my scientific name is Haliastor indus. So their perfect habitat is the wetlands. So as you can see, both of our trainers are wearing their gloves. That is to protect them from their sharp talons and beaks. And then I go for Bomikai Kingdom. Now in the world of birds of prey, females are usually much larger than the males. Now let's call in our Philippine serpent eagle, Ferrari. Now guys, Philippine eagle and the Philippine serpent eagle are two different birds. So our Philippine eagle, 3 times larger than Freddy. Now Freddy's scientific name is Pelornis volus pilus. Now they are called serpent eagle, that is because in the wild, they usually have snakes and other small reptiles. Now running your cameras as Freddy will fly over. And just a fun fact, both Kingdom and Freddy are rescued birds. So they were donated from the DENR last ECQ period. So pag ako sa Ocean Park, ako silang trained in Gin-Nourish. So as you can see, trained animals na na sila. And that's it for our Raptors Kingdom and Ferrari. Now guys, lastly for our flying birds, please look to your left as we show you our homemade pigeons. Tinas na mga guys, napatay natin. And there go our homing pigeons. Now homing pigeons has an innate ability, meaning they'll always go back to its nest to mate. So kana sila guys, bisang asa pa sila magtuytuyo, uuli rebutan sila nest. And that's it for our raptors and our homing pigeons. Now here's in Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We're not only trying to take care of friends in the ocean, but also in the land and air. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's of proper waste disposal? It's reuse, reduce, and recycle, correct? Now let's bring out our lovely bird and it's gonna show us how to do the proper waste disposal. Let's go, Bandit. So Musayo sa si Bandit. Come on, Bandit. Come on, Bandit. Musayo sa siya daw siya, guys.
Di siya.
Let's go, Bandit. Come on, Bandit. So, kawasan na ito si Blue, guys. Come on, Bandit. Saya sa kuno siya guys.
Nasa blue.
Okay, come on, Bandit. Isapot si Bandit, guys. So as you can see, working with animals can be unpredictable. So wala, patience lang din.
Si Dennis lang magpugos di ay. Yo, boy.
Come on, Bandit. Patunga na siya, guys. Come on.
Di siya.
Come on, Bandit. Alright. There you go. Now, two more, Bandit.
Yo,
So guys, always remember to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything you can.
Labay
Now,
mo
if
tirahan.
Bandit can do it, so can we. Now guys, before we end our show, I would like to invite you guys to a picture with our lovely birds together with our official photographer. Again, after sa show, pwede mo mo sa front, kamoy mag-hold sa mga birds and picturean mo. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our bird show, so I hope you guys enjoy the show. Now, let me acknowledge the birds and trainers that made this show possible. We have Trainer up there as our DJ, Trainer Mix with Bandit, and this is Blue, and with Trainer May is our Moluccan Cactus Snow. And once again, this is me, Andre, your host for the day. Thank you for watching, and goodbye! So again, if you can take a picture, pwede na mo order sa front. Sa'yo ba ito? Okay, picture with the other birds.